In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Xero account. By the end, you'll feel confident getting to the right page, recognizing the official site, and entering your details securely. All you need is an internet connection, a web browser, and your Xero login information ready. First, open your preferred web browser and use a search engine to find the Xero login page. In the search bar, type Xero login. This is the quickest way to reach the correct sign-in screen without memorizing a specific URL. As the results load, take a moment to identify the official listing. Look for the Xero website with the Xero.com domain and a secure padlock icon in the address bar once you click through. Avoid any suspicious ads or lookalike links. Choosing the official site helps protect your account and ensures you end up on the proper login page. Next, click the official Xero result to go to the site. On the Xero homepage or results page, you'll typically see a clear sign-in option that takes you to the login form. If you land on a general page first, the sign-in link is usually at the top right. Clicking it should bring up the sign-in fields where you'll enter your details. If the page looks unfamiliar or the address bar doesn't show the secure Xero.com domain, go back and select a different result to be safe. Now, start entering your information. Type in the email address associated with your Xero account, then your password. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters and check that caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce typos. When everything looks correct, select the option to log in. If your account has multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to verify using your chosen method, like an authentication app or a code sent to your device. Complete that verification to continue. After a moment, you should be taken to your Xero dashboard or the last organization you accessed. If you run into issues signing in, double-check your email and password for accuracy, refresh the page, and try again. Many browsers can remember your login for next time, but only enable that on devices you trust. For peace of mind in the future, consider bookmarking the official login page so you can return directly without searching. That's it. You searched for the Xero login, clicked through to the official site, and entered your information to access your account. Thanks for watching and happy accounting!